how to enable two-factor authentication on your PayPal account. If you want to add in an extra layer of security so that your account is protected from unwanted authorization, in today's video, let me show you the process. Open up your PayPal account and let's head over to the settings option on the top right. Once you're inside of settings, make sure that you're under security. Inside of security, if you scroll down, you'll see the option called two-factor authentication. Click on setup. Now, there are two ways that you can authenticate or add in authentication. Either you can use a authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or a Microsoft Authenticator so that a new code generates. Other than this, what you can also do is use a security key device. So based upon your likings, you can choose either of these options. If you choose the Authenticator app, which is the most secure, you can just type in the authentication code. Or what you can also do is scan this QR code on the Authenticator app. So once you scan this QR code, the Authenticator app and your PayPal will be immediately linked and the two-factor authentication will be turned on. This way, each time you log in, you need to type in the code that is being displayed inside of the Authenticator app. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.